I like that background.
Oh, crap.
This is the regular headlights on our 2018 Ford Escape going down the road at 8:30 at night.
On dim.
They're on dim, and when we get back home, we're going to change them out, and we're going to give y'all an update and see how the Oxido lights work. We think they're going to be great, but we'll let y'all see when we get back home. Stay tuned.
We'll probably have to adjust them, but we'll see. If you need some LED lights for your vehicle, head over to their website and check them out on their lights. And they also have other stuff on there also. We'll be back when it gets darker to show you the difference in the headlights.
Okay, this is after we got the Oxido LED lights in. Coming up on, I thought we're coming up on a car, but we're gonna let you see how these work now. And there you go, folks. It's like from dark to daylight. And this is at 9-something at night. We think it is a great improvement. What do y'all think?